Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to take you through the process on how I'll achieve this pepper photo shoot. So first of all, I'll be showing our lightning, and also we're using two light setup, one main light and a backlight, which is coming with a snoot light. So you see my model doing her makeup, and also you see everybody, the team, trying to make sure that this picture comes out neat and clean. So guys, follow me through the process and watch me shoot. Let's go. Hello guys, we've come to the end of this video. Check out the results of this picture and let me know which is your favorite. Don't forget to drop your comment and also subscribe to our channel. Click on your notification button if you want to see more of this video. Peace off.